Have you ever wondered if it's possible to improve your eyesight naturally? I'll discuss everything from the most important nutrients from foods and supplements to the best exercises to restore vision. And if you're new to my channel, my name is Greta, and I'm a holistic health coach. In recent years, more and more people develop common eye problems such as myopia, cataracts, glaucoma, age-related macular degeneration, and diabetic retinopathy. By understanding the factors contributing to these conditions and using corrective measures that I'm about to discuss, it's possible to protect and even restore vision. So if you want to protect or restore your vision, the first step is to believe that it's possible. Have you heard of the placebo effect? Those who don't believe won't achieve anything. Simply assuming that losing vision is normal as we age is not good enough. Next, we must understand what things damage vision. You might already know a few, but there are also many misconceptions. Some people believe their diet is not related to their eye health, and all the problems happen naturally because of age or genetics. Well, our eyes are made up of nutrients we get from foods. Your eye function directly depends on your diet. So if your diet is deficient in something like vitamin A, D, lutein, or zinc, your eyes will not be able to perform their function. Let's look at a few examples. Omega-3 fatty acids, essential for the health of cell membranes in the eyes. Omega-3 fatty acids help maintain proper fluidity and function of retinal cells. Vitamin A, vital for maintaining healthy vision. Vitamin A is a key component of the light-sensitive cells in the retina, lutein and zeaxanthin. These carotenoids are concentrated in the macula of the retina and act as antioxidants, helping to protect the eyes from harmful light and oxidative damage. Can you guess what happens when you don't get enough of these nutrients from the diet? What about genetics? Maybe many people in your family wear glasses. It's normal. It's just the way it is. There are genetics and epigenetics. Epigenetics are above genes. The foods you eat, the supplements you take, and other activities you do can turn off or on certain genes. Genes are not destiny. One of my friends was convinced that he has to wear glasses. His vision was worsening, and he prescribed him corrective glasses. And everyone in his family wears glasses. It's normal. But my friend was not okay with it. He went on and started doing eye exercises and following a nutrient-dense diet. And now he no longer wears glasses, he simply doesn't need them. Of course, everyone's case is different, and the severity of the eye issue is different. But if you can improve, move from weaker to weaker glasses, from blurry faces to clear faces, by changing your diet and lifestyle, why wouldn't you? Let's go back to the factors that contribute to vision loss. Things like excessive screen time, blue light exposure in the evening. A significant proportion of the eye's retina is made from DHA, omega-3 fatty acid. Blue light depletes your DHA from the eyes, leading to poor eye health. We see how nutrition and other factors can affect each other. You can easily fix that by wearing blue light blocking glasses in the evening. There are even daytime blue light blocking glasses you can wear in front of a computer screen during the day to reduce eye strain and damage. Blue light blocking glasses can improve your eye health and even your sleep quality. Other negative influences include smoking, cooking with wrong types of oils, such as omega-6 vegetable oils that oxidize and damage your eyes, excessive sugar and processed food consumption. All of these are bad for your eyes and your vision. Excess sugar and carbs deplete your nutrients like B vitamins, vitamin C, and high carb and high sugar diet keeps your blood sugars high. It damages the nerves and blood vessels around the eyes. High carb diet will result in high levels of insulin to bring that glucose down. High insulin will make you inflamed. It increases oxidative stress and damages the delicate blood vessels in the retina. This chronic elevation of blood glucose and insulin will increase the risk of developing diabetic retinopathy, a serious complication of diabetes characterized by damage to the blood vessels in the retina, leading to vision impairment and even blindness if left untreated. Additionally, high insulin levels may worsen other eye conditions, such as cataracts and macular degeneration, by promoting cellular damage and dysfunction in the eye tissue. You might think, I'm not diabetic, I'm fine. Well, if you eat bread, pasta, and rice as a part of your diet, you are at risk. And I'm not going to go too much into details on here, but you should eat more veggies, more good fats, less sugar and grains. And you can check out my other videos about insulin resistance and managing your blood sugar levels. In this video, I'll explain step by step how to look after your eyes, prevent vision loss, and restore eyesight naturally. So I've already discussed what things damage your eyesight. Now let's look at what helps to maintain good eyesight and restore vision loss. Here's the list of the top 40 nutrients that are beneficial for eye conditions, including myopia, hyperopia, cataracts, glaucoma, age-related macular degeneration, and diabetic retinopathy. Number 1. Vitamin A. Found in animal sources like grass-fed butter, ghee, cod liver oil, and eggs. Vitamin A is essential for maintaining healthy vision, preventing dryness, cataracts, macular degeneration, and is essential for anyone with myopia or hyperopia. Keep in mind that in some cases, like with vitamin A, animal sources will be way more potent than beta-carotene from carrots, which is just a simple precursor. Egg yolks are a significant source of bioavailable vitamin A. They contain both the vitamin A called retinol and carotenoids, which are converted into vitamin A in the body. Incorporating eggs into your diet can help support healthy vision and overall eye health. Number 2. Vitamin B1, the fat-soluble form called benfotiamine. As a fat-soluble vitamin, vitamin B1 protects nerves around the eyes and is crucial for those with diabetes or a high carbohydrate intake, helping to prevent cataracts and retinopathy. It's been shown to reverse vision loss. This form of vitamin B1 is much more bioavailable and much more effective than the simple water-soluble thiamine. It has been discovered that this form of vitamin B1 could become a new and effective treatment for one of the world's leading causes of blindness. Number 3. Alpha-lipoic acid. Alpha-lipoic acid is a powerful antioxidant that is beneficial for reversing vision loss due to its potent antioxidant properties and ability to combat oxidative stress in the eyes. It helps to protect retinal cells from damage caused by free radicals and inflammation, supports mitochondrial function, improves blood flow to the eyes, and promotes nerve regeneration, all of which contribute to preserving and restoring visual function. Number 4. Omega-3 fats, found in fatty fish like salmon, tuna, sardines, and cod liver oil. Omega-3 fats help reduce the risk of dry eyes and macular degeneration by supporting healthy tear production and reducing inflammation in the eyes. DHA omega-3 fatty acids are crucial for the health of the retina. Anyone trying to improve their vision should eat fatty fish at least twice a week and take high-quality wild cod liver oil supplements. Cod liver oil is a concentrated source of bioavailable vitamin A. It contains high levels of retinol, the active form of vitamin A, as well as other nutrients like omega-3 fatty acids and vitamin D. Number 5. Zinc. Our eyes contain high amounts of zinc in the retina and the macula. Zinc is essential for vitamin A function. If you have adequate levels of vitamin A, but not enough zinc, your eyes won't function properly. Zinc helps prevent cataracts and macular degeneration. It is essential for good eye health, so make sure to eat some seafood, seeds, and meat. Number 6. Vitamin D. Obtained through regular sunlight exposure, vitamin D is vital for preventing cataracts and supporting overall eye health. We have evolved living outdoors, not sitting in front of the screen indoors all day long and watching TV in the evening. We need to spend minimum 30 minutes outside daily, ideally 2 or more hours outside. You should also take cod liver oil supplements daily to get extra vitamin D. Most people are deficient. Even I was almost deficient when I lived in Mallorca for 3 years, getting at least 2 hours of sunlight a day. Some people have impaired absorption of vitamin D, meaning they need to get even higher doses. Number 7. lutein and zeaxanthin, found in eggs and other foods like leafy greens. These carotenoids help prevent macular degeneration by protecting the retina from harmful blue light and oxidative damage. In eggs, you'll get the most bioavailable form of lutein. Number 8. Astaxanthin, found in foods like wild sockeye salmon. Astaxanthin is a powerful antioxidant that supports eye health by reducing inflammation and protecting retinal cells. So wild salmon contains your omega-3s, astaxanthin, and some vitamin D. It's a great food for eyes. Number 9. Spirulina. This nutrient-rich algae contains high levels of lutein and zeaxanthin, as well as other antioxidants, helping protect against oxidative stress and supporting overall eye health. Number 10. Natural vitamin C, obtained from bell peppers or acerola cherry powder. Vitamin C is essential for good eye function. Vitamin C helps restore vision loss by acting as a powerful antioxidant, protecting the eyes from oxidative stress and damage. It supports the health of the retina and may help improve or slow down the progression of age-related macular degeneration, diabetic retinopathy, and other eye conditions characterized by oxidative damage to the ocular tissue. Additionally, vitamin C promotes collagen synthesis, which is essential for maintaining the integrity of blood vessels in the eyes and supporting overall eye health. Number 11. Ashwagandha. Ashwagandha, an adaptogenic herb, may help restore vision loss through its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties, which can protect retinal cells from damage and promote overall eye health. Additionally, ashwagandha's neuroprotective effects may support the health of optic nerve cells and improve visual function in conditions such as optic neuropathy or glaucoma. Number 12. Curcumin. The active compound in turmeric, curcumin, has antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties that help protect the eyes from oxidative stress and inflammation, reducing the risk of conditions like cataracts and macular degeneration. Curcumin has been shown to exert neuroprotective effects in the retina, helping to support the health and function of retinal ganglion cells and other neurons involved in vision. By promoting neuronal survival and function, curcumin may aid in the restoration of visual function in conditions such as optic neuritis or optic neuropathy. Number 13. B vitamins. You can obtain them from nutritional yeast. B vitamins support nerve function around the eyes and help prevent conditions like cataracts and retinopathy. And number 14. Anthocyanins. Found in berries like bilberries or currants. Anthocyanins are potent antioxidants that help reduce the risk of macular degeneration and protect against oxidative stress in the eyes. Now let's look into a daily eye exercise for improving your eyesight. Near-far focus exercise. Find a comfortable seated position with your back straight and shoulders relaxed. Hold your thumb or a small object like a pen at your arm's length, directly in front of you. Focus your eyes on the object, ensuring it is clear and sharply defined. Slowly bring the object closer to your nose while maintaining focus and clarity. Stop when the object is about 15 centimeters or 6 inches away from your face. Hold this position for a few seconds. Continuing to focus on the object. Slowly move the object back to the arm's length while keeping it in focus. Repeat this process 5 to 10 times, alternating between near and far focus. One more way to improve your vision and your eye health is using a red light therapy device. Red light therapy holds promise for improving various eye conditions through its potential to stimulate cellular repair, reduce inflammation, enhance circulation, and protect retinal cells. Research suggests that red light therapy may aid in healing eye injuries, alleviate symptoms of conditions like the dry eye syndrome and diabetic retinopathy, and even offer neuroprotective effects against diseases such as glaucoma and retinitis pigmentosa. Additionally, it may help to alleviate eye strain and fatigue associated with prolonged screen time. It's a great approach to promoting eye health and healing. You can find all the links to the food supplements I've mentioned and some additional ones for improving vision and keeping your eyes healthy in the description section of this video and also in the first comment. Let me know in the comments below if following these tips has helped you to improve your vision. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope to see you in the next video.